What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys it is all about this cryptocurrency here called Apecoin. You guys probably know this by now, as I've been doing it on a daily basis for the last couple of weeks. So as you can see, it has unfortunately dropped 6% in the last 24 hours, making it $13.16. So as you can see, we have just seen a major drop over the last half an hour to an hour. So what is going on with this crypto? Is it going to drop back down, all the way back down? Is it going to pick up value? So on and so on. That is what I'm going to be going through in today's video. A lot of people have been asking me, should I invest? Should I avoid it? And others are asking me, should I buy it? Should I sell it? Those of you who have already invested into it, or should I just hold on to it for the long term? So that is exactly what I'm going to be going through in today's video and giving you guys my take on this crypto over the next couple of hours and days. So before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again, for this giveaway, there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned for that on my Instagram. So over the last hour, 4% down. Over the last day, 5% down. You can see it fluctuating just about the $14 mark all up until, let's say, as I'm recording this video, 45 minutes ago it had taken a major drop, and right now going back up in value. Over the week it has fluctuated, even though we have seen its ups, downs. It's been very volatile. Overall it has stuck at the current price range, and over the month it is a massive 1,200% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here that the trading volume has gone down by a huge 40% in the last 24 hours, which is quite major. I remember when this crypto first came out, the trading volume was about $5 to $6 billion, and right now has dropped all the way down to $740 million, which is way less than what it was about a week ago. So let's have a look, go back into the candlestick pattern chart. As you can see, we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now to do the technical analysis, but I'm going to hide it and bring it back later on in the video. But what we're going to do is start off with the MACD indicator to do the price prediction, as I'm pretty sure most of you guys are here for the price prediction. And also, just before I do that, as usual guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart. As you can see, zooming in even, sorry, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking a little bit bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning more drops are expected over the coming hours. However, even though these lines are looking quite steep, the only reason why they're looking steep is because of this huge drop that's taken place. But I'm not expecting a massive drop in value or anything like that over the coming hours. Why I'm expecting though is a mixture. Obviously, we're going to see green candles like now and red candles like after the green candle. So yeah, it's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome seems to again be more on the negative side. So slight drops in value are expected over the coming hours, but again, it's nothing major. It's nothing to be worried about or excited about if you're looking to buy the dips. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? So once the chart loads up, what can we see? We are still looking bearish, but what I would blame this on is the current major drop that's taking place. It has affected the whole chart. If the whole, the MACD indicator thinks is going to carry on because of the major drop, they think, or it's thinking that, it's going to keep dropping in value, have a major drop, so on and so on, is still going to be ongoing. However, as we can clearly see, it has dropped, but right now it is slowly starting to recover. So it's not as bad as it seems, but do expect more drops in value over the coming days. That does not mean it's going to be dropping in value consistently over the next 7 to 8 days. Of course not. We are going to see peaks in between. We are going to see green candles. We are going to see red candles. There's going to be ups and downs, but once again, the overall outcome towards the mid next week seems to be more on the negative side, so probably dropping down to about the $11 to $12 mark by mid next week. However guys, this crypto is still very early. As you can see, as I mentioned previously, it was only listed on, let me have a look, 18th of March, I'm guessing. Let's have a look. 17th of March is when it was first listed, so it is still very early on. It's still a risky investment, and I've seen a lot of comments saying it's a pump and dump token, so on and so on, which I can't agree or disagree with, because it's still very early. There's still a lot of research to be done on this crypto, which I am doing on a daily basis. And like you guys have asked me, daily updates on Apecoin is what I'm doing at the moment, so make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload for regular updates on this crypto. So Again, it is looking quite negative, but I will keep you guys updated. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before that, guys, if any of you guys are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat. And again, it is currently on offer for $14.99 using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, it is limited to the first 100 people. So once it reaches 100 people, I'm going to lock it off and no one will be able to join. And just to get out there, guys, I'm not a short-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a daily basis. I am a long-term investor. Anyways, any questions or any queries you guys may have, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. So zooming in here, guys, the only reason why it's recovered is obviously we can see this red line here, which is sitting at $13.43. So this red line, it broke out of this line. That's the only reason why it's recovered. And obviously it recovered very quickly as well, because it didn't want it to break out. It resisted, and yeah, that's one of the main reasons. But we can see it's starting to drop below this target here. So if it does manage to break out at this point, we may see it drop to about $12.43 over the coming days, or even in the coming hours, depending on how quick the drop is. As you can see, it's trading at the $13.31 mark, which is below this red line here. Hopefully it does resist. As you can see, it is slowly starting to go back up right now, and yeah, hopefully it does resist and stays in this target level here. And over the coming weeks, potentially a breakout is possible, breaking out of this line here, which meaning it will, the next target level, which will be $17.69, meaning it will be hitting a new all-time high. However, at the moment, we can't really guarantee it, because as you can see, it has decided to break out at this point. So there is a chance that we may see it drop to about $12.43 over the coming hours and coming 2 to 3 days as well. But hopefully we should see a resist. So what I want you guys to do now is comment down below your predictions on Apecoin over the coming weeks and months as well. Overall, I know it's still very early, but overall in 2022, what potential target do you guys think Apecoin can hit? I've seen a lot of comments saying it's going to hit $100 in April, May time, so on and so on. But you have to remember, it's very, very far away from hitting $100. And even if it does hit the $100 mark, is going to have to go for a major price increase, which I am not expecting from Apecoin at the moment. So yeah, any realistic comments or realistic predictions, let's say, comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate each and every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Keep supporting and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.